Hello, everyone. We're going to go over today how to make an additional $100 to $300 per day using affiliate marketing. And this is going to be a pretty much beginner-friendly way of how to get started. And not only that, how to start producing results as quickly as possible. The reason why I wanted to put this together is because back in 2015, I was struggling with affiliate marketing. And there was a few things that I was doing wrong, that was incorrect. And I learned how to fix and tweak a couple of things that allowed me to have a flourishing business over the last 5 years. Okay, so you want to stay till the end of this video, because not only am I going to share with you some of the hurdles, but I'm going to show you and pretty much explain how to fix that. Okay, and that's the main thing, is knowing what's wrong and how to fix it so that you can have those results consistently within your business. So here I'm just going to show you basically from my account what I was able to bring in the last 3 months from one account using affiliate marketing. And here we have a gross of $30,000 within the last 3 months. And again, this is through affiliate marketing, promoting basically other people's products. And that's another thing. You don't have to worry about building out a website when you're promoting other people's products. You don't have to worry about putting together a product. You don't have to worry about customer service. All you have to do is get that link to people for them to sign up. And one of the things that is very important is that whatever you are promoting is a great product, easy to duplicate, and something that people want. Okay. So a lot of people that are online, they already have a business, or they're struggling within the business that they have. And the main struggle is going to be traffic. So if a person has a hard time getting people to look at their business, to join their business, to pull out their credit card, the best way to fix that issue is by having a business that allows people to also have traffic. So if you take a business and traffic and put the two together, it's a match made, right? So what we want to do is we want to focus on an opportunity or business that solves a problem. Number one, easy to pay, direct payments, most likely, already has traffic or shows you how to get the traffic, easy to set up, where it's not going to take people weeks in order to figure out exactly what to do. So those are the things that we want to first focus on. The second thing that we want to focus on is, where are we going to go for traffic? Now, you can either use social media, which could be TikTok, it could be Facebook, it could be YouTube, Instagram, Pinterest. Now, one of the things that I can say is that if you have any problems with running traffic and you want free traffic, you want to start using social media. And what you want to do is you want to stick with one social media platform at a time. So what I mean by that is, if you're going to use Facebook, you want to stick with Facebook for 6 months to a year to build it up before you start adding another social media platform. And the reason why is because if you add too many at one time, you're going to start to have a lot of confusion, and you're going to dwindle down your results because you're spread too thin on learning how to use all of the different platforms. So I tell people, after 6 months, once you kind of know what you're doing and you're seeing your following growing, you see your subscribers going, then you want to add another platform. Now, if you don't want to use free traffic, you can also use paid traffic. Now, with paid traffic, yes, it's going to cost you some money, but if you are set up correctly, you can also start building results with paid traffic. Now, what I want to do is go into some of the paid traffic resources that you can use that will allow you to start getting results. So one of them is called MLM Leads, and this is a place that you can go to get leads for your business. And these are high quality leads. So the thing is you're going to pay money for them, but they're going to get you the results that you're looking for over time, which means you have to consistently get traffic, paid traffic, in order to see the results that you're looking for. Now, another one that I want to talk about, and I'm going to pull it up here, is called Traffic for Me. Okay. And this is another traffic platform where you have to pay for the traffic, but again, it's going to allow you to start seeing results within your business. And not only that, these are real clicks. So You don't have to worry about getting fake traffic or traffic that doesn't convert or traffic that's been, that's saturated. Okay. So this is another place that you can go to get real traffic, real clicks, and you'll actually start to produce results if you are consistent with buying traffic. Now, what I recommend is if you want to get results fast, you use paid traffic with free traffic, or you can use a software, right? So the one that I chose that I use is called My Software Business. And this one I just started using, and this is going to allow you to get phone calls. Okay. So it's a software where a person dials into a phone number. Everybody gets a phone number when they get started. This is my phone number, and it helps you to actually start getting payments to your account just by sharing the phone number. Now, the reason why this is so unique and special is because most people are near their cell phones all the time. And if they can call and get information about the business, they're more than likely to sign up because the phone is always in their hand, in a person's hand. And not only that, if they're looking to make money from home or online, they can actually get this information sent directly to them by just having access to this phone number. So with this phone number, they can call it and get more information. They can go to your website to get more information. And not only that, they can actually start building a business right with the phone number. Okay. So here, there's a short video, it's in the description below, that teaches you what to do and how to use it. And not only that, 12 softwares that's going to make it basically impossible for you not to have success. So if you are looking to earn money from home, you need to, again, pick a way to run traffic. You need to have something that's duplicatable that people are looking for, and you need to be able to run with that business consistently. So another thing that I see a lot with people is that they get started with an opportunity and they don't give it enough time to work because they're looking for overnight success. Whatever it is that you decide to do online, you have to give it some time to start working so that you can start picking up momentum within your business. If you are the type that you work on something for 30 days, 60 days, and then you give up, that's not going to cut it. You need to remain focused for at least 90 days to 6 months in order to start seeing results. And if you work that amount of time, you will notice that your amount of traffic will start to pick up, the amount of people that reach out to you start to pick up, and you will start to produce results, which is cash from those businesses. Now, if you start an opportunity and you work on it for 30 days and you stop because you don't see results, more than likely that's going to happen because you didn't give it enough time to work. You didn't give your business enough time to grow. You moved on too fast. Okay. Another thing is sometimes you're not set up correctly, which means basically you don't have everything that you need in order to be successful. So that's another thing. If you are just working with a website, a sales page, you don't have it set up properly, you don't have a capture page, you don't have a way to follow up with people, that can also hurt you. Okay. So when you're joining someone, you need to make sure that you have a funnel, you have that set up properly. And I always tell people when you're looking for a sponsor, which means a person that you're looking to join an opportunity with, you want to make sure that they can help you set up your funnel, which means you have a capture page, a landing page, you have your sales page, you have your order responder. And the reason why you want to do this is because it normally takes a person 5 to 7 times to see your opportunity before they make a buying decision. So if you're not set up where people are able to see your information over and over and over again, more than likely you're not going to get the results that you need because they see it one time, they move on to something else. But if they have a reminder that you're around and you're promoting something that interests them, they will stay and keep looking at your information until they make a buying decision. So that's also very important when you are running an online business or a software business or even an offline business. People need to see it over and over and over again. And that's why I tell people it's so important to stick with your opportunity more than 30 days, because 30 days, then you're gone, and then someone else is still promoting and looking at that same opportunity that you're no longer with. So you want to be consistent and remain focused on whatever opportunity you're going to be promoting, and do that consistently. So I hope that this information is beneficial to anyone who's starting a work online business. If you again are looking or need mentorship or looking for an opportunity, you can click on the description below and you'll have more information there. Also reach out to me. I'm a real person, and I'm looking forward to helping people to start a home-based business. So thank you so much for viewing this video. Stay inspired, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.